watching our videos. We try to strive to share as much information as possible on the mind, body, skin, and hair and business. This is our 100th video. I'm super excited that we got to number 100. If there is a topic you want me to cover, drop the comments below and we will do our best to do videos on different topics that you guys want to learn more on. Thank you again.
Hold on.
For a minimal gaze, running off the top, but they say it's a phase. Taking down costs like we're spending the day, making up ground like we paving the way. We don't stop, running miles, bar hop till the eye, yeah. Couple white claws and I'm up on the go, bringing the friends by the end of the show. High tides rolling through the sunrise, we can stay up all night where we wanna go. I don't wanna know. High tides rolling through the sunrise, we can stay up all night where we wanna go. I don't wanna know. Don't stop living that lifestyle, feeling this way, it's been a while. I'm always feeling like there's something on the go, always in my head like I left it on the stove. You know one day